Observe this problem. A, B, C are any 3 points in the plane, and T1 comma T2 are the points of trisection of the line segment joining A and C on AC. S1 comma S2 are the points of trisection of BC, that are the points of trisection on BC. Then find the area of the quadrilateral formed by T1, S1, S2, T2. Okay, first we have to draw the diagram. Observe here, A 1 comma 2, B 4 comma 2. Here you observe y coordinates are same. If y coordinates are same, their vertical distance is same. E is nothing but a, that line is horizontal line. So that's why easily we can identify AC is a horizontal line. It is 1 comma 2 and it is a 4 comma 2. AB is the horizontal line. Now you observe here C 4 comma 5 whose x coordinates are same. Here you have 4, here also you have 4. So that's why definitely you will get the vertical line. This is C, its value is 4 comma 5. Now join it. What is formed? Right angle triangle formed. Yes or no? But that's not our task. Here 2 points T1 comma T2 are the points of trisection on AC, and S1 comma S2 are the points of trisection on BC. What is meant by points of trisection? The points which divides the given line segment into 3 equal parts. These 3 parts, and this is also divide the BC into 3 equal parts. That points we called as points of trisection. Already we discussed. Now join it. T1, S1, S2, T2. Here one quadrilateral forms. No, you must find the area of this. How to find out it? You must know the vertices. Then we find the area of the quadrilateral by using formula of modulus x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x4 y4 again x1 y1. With the help of that formula we can solve it. But how to know the T1 and T2 and S1 and S2? Easily we can find out with the help of concept of trisection. T1 divides AC in the ratio of 1:2. Ratio you take it 1:2, and one point A dividing point T1 easily we can find out with the help of A and C and ratio. AT1 is to T1C how much? T1C equal to 1:2 because this is one part, these are the 2 parts, and AT2 is to T2C is equal to 2:1. With the help of these ratios, by using section formula, we can find T1, T2. Similarly, S1, S2. With the help of these 4 vertices, we can find the area of the quadrilateral. Do it your own. Observe the 9th problem. ABC is an equilateral triangle whose midpoints are given. What are those? Suppose that let it be D, E, F, that is 3 comma 0, minus 3 comma 0, 0 comma 3. These are the midpoints of an equilateral triangle. Now we have to find the area of the incircle of triangle ABC. Area of the incircle triangle ABC. Its area we have to find out it. Area of the incircle find out చేయాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? Must know the radius. How to know the radius is the most important one thing. And one more thing, these are the 3 vertices have given. If you know the center, then we can find the radius. Yes or no? How to find the center? These are all the challenging tasks in front of us. So what we have to do, just draw a line FB. Is it a median or not? Yes, it is median. And is it altitude or not? Yes, it is altitude, because this is the equilateral triangle. That's why. Now join these two. Observe -3, 0, 3, 0 are the points on x-axis or not. So that's why these two are points on x-axis. What is the midpoint of it? Midpoint of it is 0, 0 or 0, 0. Yes or no? Yes, 0, 0. But not that is our final task. What we have to do it? We have to find the area of this incircle. If you know the concept well, easily we can handle this problem. Okay. We need to find the radius of the circle. Now I am taking origin is the center of the circle. Is it right or wrong? First you must say whether it is right or wrong. I am taking origin as the center of a incircle. Is it right? What is meant by center of the circle? The point which is equidistant from the points which are lies on the circle. Now you observe what is the distance from here to here? 3 units. Here to here 3 units. Here to here 3 units. That's why definitely it is the center of the circle. So now what is the radius? Radius r is equal to 3 units. Yes or no? And this circle only in circle of triangle ABC. So that's why area of incircle is equal to pi r square, pi into 3 square, 9 pi square units. 9 pi square units. Yes or no? Very easiest problem, but you have to know the minimum basics.